Hello student, today we will discuss that what skill set, evaluate or what competency level is checked by the AP exam. So how student learning is assessed on the AP exam. So we will discuss the pattern of the AP exam. There are two sections. One section is MCQ, multiple choice correct. In MCQ there are 40 questions and you have 80 minutes. For one question you have 2 minutes. In MCQ question they are discrete MCQ question or set of question. In set of question you are asked to solve the multiple question by using one data set. Now the second section is a free response. In free response you have 4 questions and have 100 minutes. Section 1 and section 2 both have 50% of total marks. In section second you have 4 free response questions. One of each of the following types are mathematical routine, translation between representation, experimental design and analysis, qualitative and quantitative translation. See, AP exam is not about the knowledge of physics content. It more about how you use the content in different type like representation, data modeling, plotting a graph, in free body diagram. So in the free response question you are asked multiple kind of format like mathematical routine. In mathematical routine you have to drive the relationship between the variable and predict or conclude the solution by using algebra or calculus. In translation between representation you are physical scenario is given in the exam and you need to convert it into different situation scenario like in data model, in graph, in table. And experimental design, in experimental design the competency in the procedure of the experimental, you are given an experiment, you need to drive the measurement and the error in this section, and plotting this graph between the data. And the last is quantitative and qualitative translation. In quantitative and qualitative translation is like more about the understanding of the qualitative property and the quantitative property. In qualitative property you not need to need a text, you just draw the diagram relationship between the different component of the question. And in quantitative you justify your answer, the boundary condition of the value or the number you are getting, the data or number you are getting in your answer. So the AP exam is just more about the description, writing logical steps and justifying your answer, your outcome with a logic. So these all important things about the exam format of the AP exam physics. In next video I will tell you about the relevant question for these 4 sections for mathematical routine, translation between representation, experimental design and analysis, and qualitative quantitative translation. I will explain all these 4 free response questions with the example. Thank you.